Hello friends, subscribe my channel. IDP examination based question. Provide my channel. Today it is most important question. Let's start. Student in university should be specialized in one subject rather than to develop a wider range of knowledge in a different subject. To what extent do you agree or disagree? ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਿਰਫ ਇੱਕ ਹੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਆ ਉਹ ਕਰਵਾਉਣ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਆ ਵੱਖਰੇ ਵੱਖਰੇ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਦੀ ਉਹ ਲੈਣ ਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਤੋਂ ਐਗਰੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਡਿਸਐਗਰੀ ਹੋ ਚਲੋ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਫਿਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦਾ ਰੀਫਰੇਸ ਫਿਰ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ 'ਚ ਕੀ ਬਣਾਉਣੀ ਥੀਸਿਸ ਫਿਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਲੈਨਿੰਗ ਕਰਨੀ BP1 ਲਈ ਤੇ BP2 ਲਈ ਚਲੋ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ people's opinions vary when it comes to the number of subject student in the university should study. I disagree with the view that they should choose to study only one specific field. From my perspective, having a wide range of interdisciplinary knowledge is more crucial, which help to lead to a more satisfactory academic and career life. BP1. First of all, people are living in a world where the various subjects connect with each other, which make it hard to separate one discipline from the another. One of the typical example of this is that economic students are expected to have excellent mastery of the maths beforehand, otherwise it would be impossible for them to tackle the complex data analysis. In the other words, a true understanding of the other course in relation to their major will make students more capable of the solving professional problems. Besides, it is not unknown for the bachelor to feel confused about what field they are most interested in. By contrast, those who have undergone a year of the interdisciplinary study are less likely to experience similar troubles. As a result, they can develop a much cleaner scheme for their profession and even career path. BP2. Moreover, after acquiring a university degree, most people will head into the job market for thus majoring in disciplines other than economic or marketing, teaching them solely about their professions will be lead to less career opportunity. Intense, it seems that the career choice for someone with a music degree will have to become a music teacher if person know nothing about the business model, leadership skills and management techniques of the another industry in order to prepare the student for a larger variety of job. Cross disciplinary education would be necessary. In conclusion, it is vital for university students to have a knowledge courses over the various subjects, for this will be beneficial for their future study and career. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.